Touch. Aww. Sweet.
He's closing his eyes. How do you do this?
Is he purring?
Aww.
I know.
Hi.
He's in every dad.
Maybe there's something special about dads that cats just understand.
They're just like, oh, he has the gentle hands. I should trust him the most.
Maybe it's 'cause their hands.
Smelling you. You smell good.
Oh, we can't get a cat.
Oh.
Steve.
So sweet.
Yeah,